So I've been asked a lot about what kind of platform for crypto I'm using for copy trading, for future trading, for everything. I use Bitget. We're gonna discuss it today about copy trading, how you get minimum fees while trading, how to get the 158 trial bonus where you can trade it right away. Okay, so I switched to Bitget because have pretty fast engine regarding trading when you buy and sell. So let's get right to it and see how we open an account and see what's going on. Here we see the last partnership they did with Juventus. The Italian football team is at the top of the football team, is my favorite team. And as we can see, have a nice platform and even on the phone, and even you can get it on Google Play or Apple Store. Okay, and as I said, let's get right to it. First we have future account, and as we can see here, when you open your account with my link in comment section below, you get your 158 bonus. And as you can see here, the trial fund is consisting of 100 first deposit bonus and $3 when you actually verify your KYC verification, and the first trade reward you get $20, and then the first copy trade you get $30, and registration reward is $5. So in the combination will be 158 USD Tether. However, the first deposit bonus will be 100 by its own. Whatever money you have on a spot, you don't have it on future. Okay, you have to transfer it. So here on the spot there is no leverage, and here on future there is leverage. Here we can see the leverage around the 125. You can actually open a trade with this amount, a little amount of money with this leverage, because if the trade or this candle just went just below, you'll be liquidated. So be careful. It's not like a smart idea to open with a little money. That's why if you want to open with just 158 with the leverage, you just adjust the leverage here, and you can see it here. So if you want to do the leverage, you can adjust it. Yeah. So for me, I will suggest to put it on 3. Okay, so the 158 bonus that you will get, you can trade on USDT future account on Bitget, and you can turn it to 500 in tradable asset. Okay, here. Okay, and let me go on the spot again. As I said, in the spot there is no leverage. So when you go here on the spot, whatever money you have when you open an account and you put money, you just trade with the money that you actually upload or you funded in this account. Okay, and as the same, you can here have buy limit order and market order as well. So if we go back again, we have copy trade. Okay, the third here we have copy trade. So here we have many traders. You can copy their trade. First we have here, if we close, we have ROI, and this is their percentage of the gain, and here win rate, this is 100%. Total P&L, the profit to loss ratio, 3 weeks, this is how he gained almost 9,000. And here we can see almost 1,700 people follow this guy, and account transaction as well, and total this one, the total profit and loss during 3 weeks, and this is in total. Okay, he gained almost 17,000. So this is kind of the first page that you could actually choose which copy trader you should follow. Okay, I will be one of the copy trader here pretty soon. I will do an update about this, so that's why I say Bitget is good, because there's a copy trading as well. As I said, the engine is really fast regarding volatility in the market, so there's no hold up. So as well, we're gonna do update when I be a copy trader here, and as well we can see here, if you want to buy Bitcoin, You can buy with Visa, MasterCard, and Google Pay, and even Google Pay, okay? And here you can see you can buy with USD or Euro or Pound or what have you. You have everything here, yeah? And whatever you get, Bitcoin, USD Tether, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and TRX and XRP. Okay, those the coin or crypto that we will exchange with whatever currency you actually having. And here we have a lot of big gain and no cost. So this is the launchpad for Bitget. Opportunity to gain money. You can actually go on the launchpad. Okay, here you can find all the things you can participate and you get money with, and as well lottery ongoing, and the result you can see it here, iDrop distribution, and a lot of projects. And here the launch pad details. So let's go and open a trade and see how it works. First, let's go for Bitcoin. So for right now, for Bitcoin, so if we go back here and see Bitcoin, let me just go my crypto and see BTC already did a technical for it. So BTC is bombing right now. So if we go here, we have kind of resisting coming up around the 649. So if we believe that the price will get rejected here around the 39,000, what we gonna do, we'll do sell limit order, which is here, okay? Here limit and here market, okay? When you want to short BTC regarding the technical, you can do it like this. We have a resistance around the 39 here, and we believe that the price will hit this level and go down. So we go here and put 39,000 to make it simple. Let's make it just 39,000 and just put it 50% of what we have. So you don't have to write whatever you want to put. So it is easier. If you have like 1,000, you just put 50%, 20% what you have. And we just say sell short, okay? Before we do this, we have to be ready to see how much we could leverage down. Let me just, okay. So the leverage is around 2x. Let me just make it 3x. And just sell short. You see here the short 3x BTC. So be careful from the leverage. It might be like in default around the 20x or 25x. So be careful. It happened to me before. I put 75x leverage by mistake because I didn't adjust the leverage. So be careful. So I will confirm. And it's failed. Okay, so I will do it again just in case. The amount minimum order to open this position is 0.01. So yeah, I will put all of I have. Yes, perfect. Okay, so sometimes it will give you an like an error, so you have to raise the amount because there's level or limit to put money on any trade. And here is easy when you see the price is around, you see, open short around the 39,000. So if you change your trading position or the resistance, you can just drag it. You don't have to open another trade here, you know. So it's easier in Bitget. What you do, just click on the open short mark here and just drag it up and down and see where the resistance, and you just put it like this, boom, and we're gonna see this like notification tell us you move the target to other target. Are you sure? I will say confirm. The order cancelled and change it to other level. It's perfect scenario to change. And we're gonna go here down and we see open orders. And we go here and we see the order is around this direction and the future coin, BTC USD Tether, and the time. And here we see taking profit and stop loss. So what we do, we go under this pin and do stop loss and taking profit. So I'll go back and see where I should put stop loss. So stop loss, I'll put it around, let's say, the 40,000, just for example, okay? Just put it around 40,000. Okay, so we're gonna lose 7% if the price actually hit this target. And profit, let's do it around, I believe, let's say the price will go around the 29,300, okay? So let's put 29,300. So wait a second, 29,300. So the expected rate will be 75% and confirm. You see? So right now we have shorted BTC. We didn't actually go to 39. This is good if you don't want to just stay on the short and watching BTC until they go to 39, but we just put our trade around the 39 and go below and do the take profit and stop loss and adjust it, so we never worry about any volatility. If the price went against us, we take the loss of 7. If we went good, the market will go down and we get 75% on the trade. So this is how you make sell limit order. Market order is simple, okay? Market order is simple. You just put whatever amount you have, you put it here, and you just buy and sell at the same time. Whatever price right now the market will give you, you just take it, okay? So here you have to pay fees, okay? If you put limit order, you don't pay fees because you are the market maker, not the market taker, okay? This is the thing what they said in trading. Market maker is mean you actually put liquidity here in the order book, and market taker is who's the one who take liquidity from the order book. As you can see it here, a lot of volatility happening here. So hopefully that was informative. Bitget is the biggest platform regarding copy trading in crypto, okay? This is the #1, as I said, and again is more flexible and fast regarding volatility. When the market go down or up, there is no halting. This is one of the big things that I really like. And we have 125 leverage, and again you get to 158 bonus for Bitget when you join with my link in comment section below. So without further ado, hopefully that was informative. If you have any question, let me down in comment section below. I will be answering fast as possible. So without further ado, and see you in the next update.